Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. ScooterATVSales.com bringing you the Venture 200 EFI electronic fuel injection go-kart. This is the color red. What we've decided to do on one of the red ones here, and we chose this one to do. We have Marcus here holding the controls. We installed a first responder kit, if you want to call it a police package kit on here. We installed the PA system here at the front, just behind the grill area here, as you can see, hidden over here, and all the rest of the controls. We put this really cool looking light bar over here. You can see the lights on right now. It's on the white feature. It has other functions here. It could flash, it could turn different colors as well. Now this would really show really well at night, as you can see, as I get a little bit up close here. And then Marcus here, he has the controls here of all the different whelps and siren sounds this thing does. Now this is strictly, we did this for off-road purposes, for fun. I mean, if you decide to take this or buy this cart and go on a parade or go to some sort of function, use it as a business vehicle too as well, with your logos all around it. That's pretty cool to do, but mainly for off-roading, you guys. So we got a lot of cool sounds. And Marcus, why don't you go through all the different sounds this makes? All right, looks like he pushed all the functions on there. As you guys can see, there's different features you can push on here. It's nice, very affordable actually to do. Now we installed this on it just about a week ago. This is the functions here, as you can see. It has all the different features, the whelp sounds here. You have the horn, which is one of my favorites here. Different sounds, different whelp sounds on it. Now this is strictly for off-road, just to go out and have some fun. Do a little chase scene there, off-roading. This is red, so it resembles, you know, hot, sexy, as well as resembles a fire truck too, as well. They had that red emergency look. So this is the first responder kit we did. I want to show this off now. I did a full video and demo of this particular one, and I'll put this video right above so you guys can watch the full video demo of this. Now that was prior to installing the first responder kit on here, but want to show you guys what we did here. This one's available here at our Reno, Nevada store at 920 Matley Lane. If you guys are out of state, always call me before ordering. I'll get you the best price possible on the Venture 200. Now this is supplied by both Vitacci and Apollo, and this will get delivered in a crate box. You can watch that video I did unboxing the Venture 200 so you guys have an idea of what to expect when you order this. There is quite a bit of assembly required, so if you're not competent enough to do the assembly, then just go ahead and hire a mechanic. This one's ready to go right now. This is in red. They also have black currently available and blue, but always call me before ordering because it's subject to change without notice. Thanks, Marcus, for showing off those functions on here. Now again, we installed the full PA system. It has the control module we installed in the back with the full light bar over here. It was a small investment to do, but it's we did it for a lot of fun. And this one, we're selling it with that entire package on here with some great value attached to it. Call me before ordering, you guys, if you're out of state. Again, ScooterATVSales.com is the website. You'll find this Venture 200 electronic fuel injection on there. If you guys would like to order one, just call me. Just ask for Greg. This one's available here at Reno, Nevada, Scooter City Reno ATV. And we see you guys soon. You could find me on Instagram posting at Scooter ATV Sales. If you guys are looking for some universal ATV parts, you'll find me at ScooterATVParts.com. And we'll see you guys soon. Take care.